Okay, so I want to make a quick reaction to what happened in my live stream today. Someone made a comment, and that comment has to do with the match that is going to come up anytime soon in Finland in solidarity with PM's release. And that comment is from a Biafran who happened to be, a kind of, I don't want to say a follower of my platform. Let me put it that way. I don't want to use the word fan or anything, but just a follower of my platform. And the comment he made trigger someone to run to Adadioramma's platform to make a comment that pushed me out to respond and to also debunk some of the lies that individual said. In as much as we have different opinion about what is going on, one thing I have assured us here is that this platform cannot stand for lie and evil. I don't preach falsehood or to say something because I hate A or hate B. What I'm saying or what I'm representing here is truth. To tell you what I felt and give you a chance to say your own opinion. You must not follow what I said. You must not believe what I'm saying. All I want is your common sense and your brain. Nothing more. Not to give it to me, but to use it to reason for your own good. To make sure that you do not fall in the trap of some who claim they are more clever than others. When the comment came in, it goes this way, that there are march or a plan of to protest in Finland by Biafrans. That guy, the person that made the comment, made it clear that his own advice is people should be careful on how to go about it. That he or she don't want to anybody to be a victim of being poisoned and something like that. We are not here to create fear in minds of anybody. Then after saying that, when I read that comment out, I said that I am in support of protest. I am in support of march, whatever you may call it in Finland, as long as it has to do with PM's release. I don't care who is organizing it or whatever they're doing. Then I went further by saying that I don't think that protest or that march is all about PM. This is my own instinct, this is my own opinion, and you should respect it. The way I respect your own, I expect you to respect my own as well. Then I made it clear that this is my reasons for saying that it could be that they want to go there just to tell Biafrans or the whole world that they are the one fighting and making move for PM to be released. If not, why do they choose this month that PM is going to appear in the court? I'm just saying, this is my instinct. No intel, no intention to drag anybody to the mud. I am in support of it 100%. I'm not capping. Then after saying that, I went further by saying that they refuse to pay you, the organizer. It could be because they are afraid that the turnout may not be as may not be as big as expect or as it should be. They are afraid of being criticized on that. Like I said, this is my instinct, this is my own opinion. That in as much as they don't want to claim it, let it not be that after Biafran troop in there and protest and everything, someone will be somewhere claiming the glory. That let it be on record that nobody, as they have made it clear that they don't know the organizer, they don't believe, they don't have any organizer and all that, just to make sure that you feel so comfortable going there to show your love and solidarity to PM release, which is very, very nice and very, very happy. So how can I be, how can I use my platform to kick against such thing? I mean, it doesn't make any sense. I am in support of it. I say that it is good. But can we also understand the tendency of the plan of those who are behind it? Even though they say they don't are behind it, I don't mind. Then I said, as long as we're going there, do not ignore what this person said here in the comment section. Once you get there, do not allow yourself to be carried away so you don't get any poison. Now, the issue of the question should be, why did I say so? What made me to think in that line or to sound like as if I'm in agreement with the person that made the comment? Here is my reason. Ada, which is why he's such in France, made a broadcast or a program. She played a video of a lady called Judith or Sazoa. Okay, the lady that is she's behind the designing of dragon and all that, and that wipe or that American Ghana bought and all that. That is what I was told. That he's a very good, artist. So she designed some of the logo and everything that Biafrans are using today. The lady made a program where she was telling Biafrans in her own platform that she got poisoned in Finland convention last year, this past convention, where Biafran was, during the time of redeclaration. And in that program, it was made clear that everything that happened there is in favor of Biafra, but this lady got poisoned, according to her. How did I know? Ada played that video on her own platform. Then, after playing that video, where she was mocking the lady that you claim to be a spiritualist and you got poisoned. I don't like to do this program like this because it sounds like a rumor or like a gossiping or something like that. But I want to clear air on the other things. After that, I watched that program. I have to reach out to Ada before she begin to go gaga. I told her, I would like to know this lady. She told me her name and everything and shared the video from the lady's platform. I have to go to her platform and actually subscribe to her platform, meaning that I'm now receiving some notification of her video. Okay, from her platform. I mean, from Judith Osazowa. Now, I watched the video from her platform in detail, not from the one that was ranting on her platform. Then, after everything, I realized that this lady is going through a lot. She said that she's going to have been in the hospital several times because of poison that she got in there. So that is the reason why I said people should be careful. You don't ignore what the person said on the comment section. Like I said, my live stream was not centered on the protest or anything. I'm not against it. I was only reading a comment from someone on my own platform. Then I made a comment about it. Then somebody a grown-up man, who happened to be in my platform watching live, could not call me. Even I put my number on the program, people were calling and commenting. Nobody condemn what I said in that program. Then this man refused to call me to put the record straight. If I told you, he felt that what I said is wrong or I'm misleading people, I'm saying something that is off point. He refused to call on the program to debunk that thing on my own platform. So that people people that were happen to watch the video or who were watching may understand that I'm preaching evil. He couldn't do that. What did he do? He rushed to the best place where they're dishing out lie and begin to use my name, to slander my name and say all manner of nonsense, that I'm promoting this and promoting that, which is not true. I'm not promoting anything. What I was doing, I was trying my best to be as much as I can to set the record straight. To set the record straight. But he don't want to accept it. Do you understand it? Then when you are what he said in that platform is the reason why I'm here to tell you the real truth of what happened. Because when you watch that program of Ada, they're calling my name, shouting, "Oh, Kai report, Kai report." And to you, evil man, I know is either you are from Igbo State or from Abia State, because your accent, the way your dialect, I can tell. Let me tell you something that you don't know. You cannot lie on everybody you see. If I am here on this platform to destroy character, slander's name for fun, or maybe I drive joy in sabotaging, that my own is to sabotage. If I have sabotage or collect money from anybody to say evil things, knowing fully well that that thing is true, like, let me make it clear so you understand what I'm saying. If I have ever know that this thing is white and I choose to call it black because I want to favor Mr. A or favor Mr. B, then whatever you say will happen. But if not, from today, as you choose to condemn and to lie, twisting word, a program that I made just few hours, it's not even up to 3 hours, you already twisting it on Ada's platform. And she was saying all manner of nonsense that she used to say. Now, this is me telling you that that thing that you said is not going to happen. You will receive it 100 times. Are you getting my point? You're going to receive it 100 times because everything you said there is a lie from pit of hell. A lie from pit of hell. You are trying to condemn me, telling me that that you don't know how where I come from, you don't know where I was and all that. All of a sudden, we just jump out from from nowhere and start talking. That is your own take. That's what you feel. But let me tell you, I have been here before you, even before Adadioramma. I started broadcasting before Adadioramma. Are you getting my point? I started broadcasting 2021. I'm not saying that another platform, this very platform you are watching now, was open 2021. Where were you then? Where is that? Can you tell her? Can you ask Adadioramma what she was doing as of 2021? What was she doing? I don't want to tell you when I started listening to Master Namaka and I started following Biafran issue. No, I'm telling you when I opened my own platform to talk, to this, expose these lies. 2021. You know me today or you watch my program today does not mean that you think I just have followers. I just wake up and have followers. There's that you don't know. Imagine if I ban also, and you trying to tell me, I'm not about whoa. Every negative thing you said there will fall back on you and your generation, because you said generation, right? Your own generation will eat from the scrap because of you, because of your trans, unless you go back to that Dharma platform and set the record straight that that's not what Kai report said. If not, you are unable to bad also. Because like I said, I am very, very genuine and sincere. I am not here to condemn. Do you actually believe that everything that USB do, that I like it? There's something that I don't like. Ogenkere, of course, there's a lot of things that I don't like. But what I'm trying to tell you is that no, you don't. There's no way you will see a government that have everything that you like. No way. Even American citizens are complaining. No way. There's no country in this world that 100% all the citizens in that country are happy with the, day-to-day activities of the government. You must have some criticism, but let it not overwhelm you. Let it not be something that will make you to start dishing out all lies and propaganda that you don't have limit. Like animal. Difference between human being and animal is the ability to think, reason. Your brain is meant to reason. Animal, like dogs and all the domestic animal, if they give birth, you that have them in your house will be the one to train them the way you have trained their mother. The mother cannot pass that knowledge that you pass to them, to the mother, to each children. That's the animal. But human beings are not like that. Okay, we are not like animal. What I'm saying this is why I'm saying this is because some of you actually believe that you can open your mouth and run your mouth the way you want. You are raining insult on me. Who is that? You called me an idiot. An idiot you shall be, and your children shall be an idiot. You said that that we are going to since we said that the people should be careful about going to Finland and all that. Like I said, I am in support of it. I did not say people should not go. I I I highlight that issue of poison because there has been a case of that, and that does not mean that you should not go. You said even if you, in your house you eat poison, you will buy in the poison. That poison that you proclaim that people are going to buy in their house because of poison, for you setting alarm that people should be careful. That does not mean that if you go to a protest you get poison. It could be in anywhere, not about protest. But what the notion you are trying to pass is that people like me or the person that made the comment is against protest, is against going to Finland to protest, which is a lie from pit of hell. And you are doing that deliberately because I made it clear. This is not something that I said 2 months ago, 3 months ago that you have forgotten. Today, and within few hours, you are twisting it and lying on that, mean that you are an evil man and evil will buy you. You are wishing people to buy, right? Now I'm pushing that pie to you. As long as you are wishing other people evil, evil shall come to you. Biafran or non Biafran, life matter. It is easy for you people to proclaim and dish out evil word on anybody. You don't have what it takes to lay curse on me or my family. If you don't have what it takes, I know my do and don't. I've not come out here and begin to proclaim evil on anybody. I don't do that. But you trying to say that lying, you know that you are lying. You know. My video is out there. Go and watch it. Don't even watch it from the beginning. Drag at least 1 hour plus, then continue watching until the end. You will meet that place we talked about. This is what I'm saying now. If I said what this man said, because in case you don't need to delete the video or anybody, because I have already recorded it and keep. Why I'm not playing it here, because I want to know your response. If the man refused to go to the Adadioramma platform and do that, I'm not bothering. Why? Because like I said, I am here outside making it so that the whole universe will hear me. That as long as you are proclaiming evil against me, lying against me, saying what I did not say, everything evil you have against anybody, even your enemy, from today is gonna fall on you, whether you like it or not, because you yourself is an evil man. You people are good in blackmailing people, tagging people's name for that person to look bad in the eyes of the whole world. Imagine me telling Biafra not to go to Finland to protest or solidarity march for PM release. What will I gain? That's an evil. I cannot, do that kind of thing. But since you choose to lie about it, everything you say in another normal platform is going to fall back on you. You are an evil man at your age. You don't use your brain. You don't respect your, and this is one thing that most of you have in common. Those that are falling back. You people don't consider your age. You don't consider what you are saying. You don't even know the men and ordinary. But you be the one championing the men and ordinary. Without ezoku, without truthfulness, your the men and ordinary is useless. Unless you are just a voodoo man, you are just an evil man, barbaric people. That's what you do. You do sacrifice to manipulate, to hijack, to corrupt, to poison, to buy people. That's all. But if you want to walk, do your men and diligently, you have to stand on the way of the truth, which you like. It's not in you. It cannot be in you. The woman that you are ranting on her platform was, shouting and promoting that, which is what she's known for. She's known for, lying. In her words, she said that, you are not out from the one who lied. You are bringing another one. Propagandists with illiteracy is one of the worst things that can happen to anybody. And I will keep on wondering, does it mean that she don't have any family, any relative, anybody that know her family to put her in chain? Because your word is so deadly. Everybody is a sabon. Everybody is an evil. Only you is innocent. Then when it comes to fund, you want everyone to join and do that. Okay, man, this is how the criminal mindset of some of you, lying with everything in you, from your teeth down to your nails, is all about lies. There's nothing good about you. You allow people to preach evil in your platform, lying on somebody. You did not even bother to watch the video. You call yourself a journalist. You're not even qualified to be a content creator, let alone journalist. Can you define journalism? You can't, isn't it? But you are promoting and lying, doing everything that this is what it is. That you don't know where Ngozi brought these people. Me and you, who started social media content creation or anything at all, between me and you, who started it first? I said before you that you sneak into cabinet does not mean that you want it. You are there out of pity. It is well known. Some of you, some of you now, this guy called the guy, this guy called the guy. What have I done to you? Everything I discuss on my platform is what on social media. I have never come out and tell you that I know the boxers of Okoko. That Okoko don't wear, that he is wearing rag panties or anything, because that's one of the worst things to say, right? If you bring issue on public, we discuss it and we make sense out of it. Nothing more. Have I opposed any word on anybody? That even you, why is such a your character wants people to tag it to the extent of calling you all manner of names. But I'm trying to hold myself back on that. But what about you? Everything that somebody whispered on your ear, whispered in your ear, you will rush out on your camera and begin to use that as a program in a winter. All of you are the same. Every now and then you come out, you're apologizing, a journalist, Ikego, and Oga, who want to lake us today. Or I'm not adding any cost on you. All I'm saying is that every negative that you have said starting from calling me idiot, you don't know me, all this, and you mention generation, that you and your generation should suffer. I'm saying is say that your generation, as you said it, as you come out from your mouth, will suffer until you go back to Adadioramma platform and repeat, redo what you have done. You have to undo it rather. Make sure that that thing that you said, tell them, oh, I got it wrong. Kind report did not say that people should not go out should not go out and protest. I did not say that. But since you put it out there, that's what I said. You said it on the air. Go back to the same platform because that is where you guys have power. You on my platform, I welcome many of you, people like you, but you refuse to call. Even though you were watching me live, my phone number is there. People were calling. You refuse to call to tell me, brother, this thing you said is not true. How can you say people not to go and don't go and protest? But because you already have animosity, because you are expecting me to start preaching, fall back, fall back. All of you are very evil, very very evil. I am not the type that you lay cause and I will sleep over there and say it doesn't matter. Go and ask Chemaka Jere. When he came out with his rotten egg, what happened? As he broke the egg and mentioned my name, I did my own on social media with one hand. I brought my Bible because I'm a Christian. That's where my power is. I'm not a voodoo person like you. But whether you like it or not, the whole universe are watching us, whether you're a Christian or Muslim, no matter your religion. So since you are a voodoo man, I am using universe to confront you. You said it on air. I am here outside saying it. I did not say that, but as long as you lie upon my head, that negative word that you said will be with you and your own generation as you pronounce it. Nothing more, nothing less. I don't add that whoop and God until you go back to that Adadioramma platform and make some amendment and clear on that. If not, let me leave it there. It will be between you and universe, because God in heaven know that I did not say what I'm saying. I am not against any protest. Why should I be against any protest? It's your choice. But how can you say that what I said is an evil for telling people to be at alert so that you're not going to get poisoned? Which means that all of you that are fighting for it, have spent money. Maybe you have invested money on getting poison to poison people there, and now reminding people to be careful is an offense. It's nobody you want to get negative agenda about it. Anyway, please like the video and share. Tell me what you think about it on comment section. I will be reading the comment to know the motive and the way some of you will respond to this. God bless you. Bye bye for now.